Welcome to today's video. I'm thrilled to take you on a journey to discover the best spot for watching the sunset in the western part of Singapore. This location offers stunning views that you won't want to miss. From the perfect vantage point to the ideal time to visit, I'll share all the details you need to make your sunset experience unforgettable. So, sit back, relax, and make sure to watch until the end to catch all the tips and breathtaking moments. We'll be heading to Raffles Marina, a fantastic place to catch the sunset. To get there, take the MRT to Twas Link station. Conveniently, Raffles Marina is just next to the MRT station, making it an easy and accessible destination. At Raffles Marina, you can immerse yourself in serene waterfront views and indulge in a variety of dining options at their exquisite restaurants. Explore the marina, which is home to an array of impressive yachts, adding to the luxurious ambience. This spot is perfect for both relaxation and adventure, offering something for everyone. One of the highlights of Raffles Marina is its iconic lighthouse. This picturesque landmark is the ideal spot for capturing stunning sunset photos, providing a breathtaking backdrop for your evening. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or simply looking to enjoy a peaceful evening, the lighthouse at Raffles Marina won't disappoint. To catch the sunset at its most beautiful, it's best to arrive at Raffles Marina around 6:30 p.m. This will give you ample time to find a great spot, set up any cameras or equipment you might have, and fully enjoy the transition from day to night. The sunset in Singapore typically happens between 7 p.m. and 7:15 p.m., so arriving a bit earlier ensures you won't miss a moment of the stunning display. As the sun begins to set, you'll see the sky transform into a canvas of vibrant colors, ranging from deep oranges and pinks to purples and blues. The reflection of the sunset on the calm waters of the marina creates a mesmerizing effect, enhancing the overall beauty of the scene. The silhouette of the lighthouse against the colorful sky makes for an iconic and unforgettable sight. Whether you're capturing the moment with your camera or simply soaking in the serene atmosphere, the sunset at Raffles Marina is a truly magical experience. It's a perfect way to end the day, offering a sense of peace and wonder as you watch the sun dip below the horizon. From here, you can also catch a glimpse of the so-called forest city at Johor Bahru across the water. As the sun finally dips below the horizon, the sky takes on even more dramatic hues, with deep reds and purples blending into the twilight. This is the perfect moment to pause and fully appreciate the beauty of nature. The peaceful ambience, combined with the gentle sounds of the marina, creates an unforgettable experience. Whether you're capturing the moment with your camera or simply soaking in the serene atmosphere, the sunset at Raffles Marina is a truly magical experience. It's a perfect way to end the day, offering a sense of peace and wonder as you watch the sun finally set. Unfortunately, it looks like rain is on its way, and for the sake of safety and comfort, we'll have to call it a day. Back at Raffles Marina, it's time to make the most of the evening despite the change in weather plans. How about we turn this into an opportunity to enjoy a delightful dinner at one of the exquisite restaurants offering a delectable Western cuisine. As we head indoors to escape the rain, we're greeted by the warm and inviting atmosphere of Raffles Marina Country Club. With its elegant ambience and stunning views of the marina, it's the perfect setting for a memorable dining experience. Let's take a moment to peruse the menu, which boasts a mouth-watering selection of Western dishes crafted with the finest ingredients. From succulent steaks to fresh seafood and decadent desserts, there's something to tantalize every palate.